Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I'm just gonna cover Vechain, and as we know that we had this dump, from the news, and then now we are trying to rally back up again, and we know that we had this, support line for Vechain, which it was playing in this triangle. Okay, so now, and we know this, this support over here has been, working out since over here 21st of July of 2021, but the long-term support has been here since, 2 years now, about to be 3 years. So pretty good for VeChain. And hopefully this support is going to hold, but you never know what market sentiments they can change. If Bitcoin just wants to make a U-turn. But overall, things are looking good right now because we do have some cool off that's going on. But let's go into the 1 hourly time frame and show you what's going on. So in the 1 hourly time frame, see we can see the price came down and it came down to almost what 11 cents, and then we started picking up. Now you could see here that we had this ascending triangle, and then the price came out of it. Now we are retesting it, and we're trying to go to the upside. Okay, so this is a good thing. Now on a bigger scale, this is the price target for that right over there. So that's about 12 cents, 154. And if we ignore this, okay, we just ignore this, you can also see it's still making higher highs. Okay, and this is a good thing. Higher highs are good, but we don't want this to end up in a rising wedge like that. Okay, we want to break this to the upside, to invalidate the rising wedge. But even if we take this off, and let's say the price comes down because it was also making this little pattern over here. Okay, it was a descending triangle when it was over here. Okay, see, descending triangle. So even if you measure that, the price, it did break to the upside, but it didn't go all the way here. So it's over here, but that's the target for this triangle. If we break to the downside, we're coming back to this support line, and the support line is for the whole ascending triangle. Look, I'll show it to you really quick. Yeah, the support line is basically the long support that we're having. So yeah, I mean, when we can back test it, and then maybe still we'll be in a good position because we'll be creating lower highs like that. Even if it comes down, we can make a larger ascending triangle and then maybe move to the upside. But overall, I want to point something out. I mean, we are still looking good. Everything is looking good because we are still above the bigger support trend line. Okay, so let's go to the RSI. In the daily time frame, I want to point something out, and let's just hide. Let's just stay like that. Okay, see over here. Okay, so in the RSI, you can see this rally that we had. I've drawn this triangle, symmetrical triangle shaped pattern. So this rally that we had, it took us over here, this high, and the RSI hit here. Okay, so then we bottomed out. We bottomed out right over there. That's where the RSI is. And over here, we topped out over here. Okay, so and the RSI is making a was making a lower low, basically, higher low, I mean. So kind of like a bearish divergence that was playing out, and then the price came down. So I mean, it's a good thing, when the bearish divergence price came down, and we are retesting these levels over here. So you can see now every time we are at this bottom, right over there, also we were at that bottom right over there. So price came down, we went up. Price came down, and now hopefully, if the supports hold, and we are right over there, and that's where the RSI is, we can have another run to the upside. So if we do have a run to the upside, and when it gets to this resistance, okay, if it breaks, we can have a rally, to the upside. Even if it doesn't break, this rally is going to be a good up to, I would say, 22 cents. And If it breaks, then we can have a rally to about 30 to 33 cents. So this is something, if this plays out, it's going to be great. Even if, it it comes to the downside, the bearish side, if it breaks down, then Vechain price is breaking this, resistance for the, it has been so getting the support on. Even if it breaks, you know, I'll still not be that bearish. Why? Because it is breaking the support trend line, but even if it breaks and it comes a little bit below, it's still creating a higher lows kind of structure. Let me just explain you in a better way. If you take out the Fibonacci and you measure this, okay? Uh, Measure this move. Okay, right over there. See, even if you see you're standing at the 0.618 level, even if you break this, you come here and you sit over here at the 0.786 at 9 cents. You're still higher than this high, and what VChain can do sometimes, when they break these triangles, these patterns, what the price does is, I mean, this is the bearish side, okay? I'm just saying it's not gonna happen. This is a scenario I'm creating, okay? If price comes here, sometimes, what happens is price gets out of these patterns and rallies this way, if the market sentiment are bullish, okay? So I've seen a lot of projects do this in the past, but we're still in this pattern. So let's just concentrate here, okay? And so this is giving me a great indication that RSI is at the bottom and stochastic RSI is also at the bottom. We had these scenarios play out before, okay? Let me just point that out to you so you get a better picture. RSI, stochastic RSI, they were all at this levels, okay? Right over there, and now we are right over here. So a lot of accumulation. Probably they're going to be done at this level because people want to get in cheaper. So yeah, this is the scenario. And if you like this kind of content for VChain, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment below. It helps the channel and spread VChain around the crypto community. And take care, guys. Have a good day.